Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today we're making a riff on the Enzoni, the Fall Enzoni. It's a very simple variation on the Enzoni, which is a modern classic cocktail that was created by Vincenzo Ericco. It's essentially the original Enzoni is a gin sour with Campari and muddled grapes. So today I'm substituting in Rye Whiskey in place of the gin. This has been featured on Leandro's channel, The Educated Barfly, and he believes it was first created by his manager, Brent Falco of the Coles Bar that he formerly worked at. So I'm going to make the Fall Enzoni and then just do a bit of a comparison and compare it to the gin Enzoni, or the modern classic Enzoni, and see what I think, and yeah, which is my favorite. Let's get straight onto it. So, key difference, instead of gin, calls for Rye Whiskey. If you want to check out the original Enzoni as well, for an actual step-by-step, then you can check it out right here. It also calls for a little bit less sugar. Not much difference apart from that though. So we're measuring out 30 ml of Rye Whiskey. I'm using Knob Creek, followed by 30 ml of Campari. Red bitter Italian liqueur, 3 or 4 grapes, red grapes in this one, and 3/4 ounce, 22.5 ml of both fresh lemon juice and simple syrup. It's a 1-to-1 by weight. Really quick muddle. Just break the skin of those grapes. And then give it a shake. I've already fine strained the lemon juice. If you want to, then you can double strain. Completely up to you. Actually, I think I did last time for the Enzoni. So this has got these grape skins in there. I'll probably double strain this one, to be honest. And for garnish, I'm stealing Leandro's garnish, which is like a orange rose and a couple of grapes over the top. So there you have the Fall Enzoni, calling for Rye Whiskey. Now, this is the one I prepared earlier, so I'm doing the classic Enzoni. Again, you can check it out in the link up here, which calls for gin, Campari, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and muddled grapes. Of course, don't forget to fine strain it exactly like I did in the first one. And to differentiate the two, I'll garnish with 3 red grapes on top, like I did for the last Enzoni. There you have 2 Enzonis, Fall Enzoni and a modern classic Enzoni by Vincenzo Ericco. Cheers. Breathe. I said it when I made the first Enzoni last time. This is the ideal way to introduce someone to Campari in a sour with gin or with whiskey. It just works that you get the flavors of the Campari without it being overwhelming. Since I made it, I actually had a lot of people tag me on Instagram and make the Enzoni. And some people have even substituted for Aperol. So if you'd like to do that, you can as well. But I think even if you don't like Campari, this is probably a good option to go with. So I'll try the modern classic Enzoni just so I can do a comparison. They're quite similar, but you get the botanicals of this one. This is a lot lighter in comparison to the Fall Enzoni, which has got a little bit more punch, a little bit more drive. It tastes like it's a little bit boozier. This is a 50% rye whiskey, so you can taste it's that little bit stronger. It's got that little bit of spice. They're very similar, but lighter. You get the botanicals from the gin, so I'm using a London dry style. Which do I prefer out of the two of them? Ooh. It's a tough call.
One hour later.
I feel like the Fall Enzoni, it highlights more of the Campari notes, more of the bitterness comes through, and it complements the spices of the rye whiskey. But I think the modern classic Enzoni is lighter, a little bit more vibrant. They're both great drinks. I can't decide. You guys are gonna have to try both of them at home and let me know which one your favorite is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Give me feedback on the cocktails below, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.